Hi. So today I'm going to show a few private movements which are very good for the body and overall toning, and they really get your core working up and working. So you can feel the heat even within 5-10 minutes of workout. And 15-20 minutes of animal flow is good enough for a person who is just starting out. And the beauty is that you do not need any equipments for this. So let's get started. And very important part of this is the warm up, especially for the wrist, because you're going to be doing a lot of work on your wrist while working your core out. The first step is to rotate your wrist. And also hold and do like this. Other side. Next step is to push your wrist down. It's sort of a warm up. You can also place them on this joint of the floor and just do little circular movements. When I discovered about animal flow, I used to wonder whether it is something for people who spend 3 4 hours at the gym, or is it something that you can even try at home? And guess what? I was in for a surprise. I started experimenting with animal flow a couple of months back, and it is just phenomenal. It is a powerhouse of the whole body workout, and within 10 15 minutes, you'll feel that you have worked out every muscle in your body, and you will feel it on your core. I mean, you have to experience it for yourself. So that's why I put together some of the basic movements that you can try at home. Do start with warm up and stretches. And initially, if you feel that you need support to do the squats and everything, you can't do deep stretches or deep squats, that's totally okay, because your body will take time to open up. You're not used to these kind of movements, and that is the reason why they're called animal movements. So take help and support of door, wall, whatever you feel, and keep on deepening your squats and stretches, and see your body evolve, see your body open up, see your body getting stronger. And all I can say is that once you have tried it, you wouldn't want to move away from it. So have fun, enjoy, and enjoy the basic movements. Try to create your own flow. Try to experiment with all the movements, and try to do it for at least 15 20 minutes twice or thrice a week, and see your body evolve. All the best. And like the content, please like and subscribe to my channel and share with your friends. Have a good day. Bye.